New employment in December was 28,900, which was almost 3 times what the market expected. The unemployment rate fell from 5.2 to 5.1%. But there were 2 negatives about the data. The jobs were all part-time, and as a result of that, the underemployment rate stayed the same. Monthly numbers jump around a bit, so let's look longer term, the whole of 2019. There were 263,000 extra jobs, of which most were full-time, and 68% were women. But those jobs weren't enough to get the unemployment rate down. It rose from 5 to 5.1% over the 12 months. And there are now 22,000 more people unemployed than there were a year ago. Unemployment got to 6.3% in 2014, and it has come down a lot from there, but underemployment basically hasn't moved for 7 years. And here's today's graph of the dollar. It jumped because the probability of a rate cut next month has dropped from 56% this morning to 19.8% tonight. The Australian dollar is now fetching 68.7 US cents, back to where it was on Monday. And the most interesting thing about the share market today was that a couple of engineering and construction contractors got slammed. CIMIC Group, because it's exiting the Middle East, taking a $1.8 billion write-down and scrapping its dividend, and Downer EDI because of a big profit downgrade. Apart from that, the leaders were all painted various shades of red, and the All Ordinaries fell 0.7%. which seems to be largely about the coronavirus outbreak in China. Stocks in Shanghai, Hong Kong and Seoul all fell quite heavily today, and New York was flat last night. And commodities were quite weak as well. New York oil down 2.3%, iron ore 1.3%, base metals and gold also down. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.